Now we are.
Alright, here we are. August whatever. I believe it's the 1st. Nick Magner, Rob Magner, fishing expedition. Blackie Bear.
Head into the secret spot.
Not really secret anymore because right now we're video camera.
Yep.
Taping it. But we're on a Pelican. Very nice boat. Nice little pontoon boat. Minn Coder engine, trolling motor. Very nice. This little thing hauls.
We have another guy behind us in a canoe.
This guy knows where it's at. He knows where to fish.
Maybe we should watch him. Get some pointers. Figure out where he likes to go.
He's hauling.
He's faster than us. And we have a motor.
But it's a trolling motor. We have motion on the top of the water.
That spot might be better today than it was last time. So under a little more water.
Yeah, we got a lot more water than we had last time.
You can't even see the weeds, which we could see last time, so.
Yeah, true. We got at least like a half a foot, maybe a foot of water more. And we're headed to the spot.
And I'm gonna cut the camera so that way you don't have to wait for 3 minutes while we go over there.